Alright, we're back. Episode 2. Let's do this. Alright, I think... Oh god, there's a creeper. Shit. Let's go kill this guy. Come on. Come here. Come here, boy. No, don't explode! Don't... Oh. Hey. Flood my ravine. Ah, great. Alright, I think... This episode, I want to get diamonds. I want to go to the Nether. And I want to expand my house into like this part, maybe make like a storage system. I do like the same design here with like the window and the cobblestone and the floor and stuff, but just over there, probably like build like a cool bridge. I think that should be the first thing I do, because I need to sort out this. This is just a mess. Okay, I think first thing, build a bridge. Where should a bridge be though? Here? Yeah. Wait, no, my staircase is there. Here. Yeah, why not? Alright, it's pretty shit, but I think once I've dug into here, build my storage system, I can improve this. Yeah, I can probably definitely improve this. This shit. Alright, I'm gonna need to start digging out a place here for all my chests. I don't know how big it to be. Oh, I kind of want it quite big. I kind of want it to go up too. I think I'm gonna build a staircase here. It's gonna go up a little bit, and then to my storage system. Alright, perfect. I think storage system is gonna be like along here, kind of like what I did there. I need to prove that outside. That looks ugly. Alright, I've got my wood now. Just need to put it all in. And put my chests in, sort out my chests. And then go straight mine for some diamonds. Alright, almost done. Got the walls, the floors. Not sure if I should do the roof. It's all smooth stone, so I might just leave it for now. I want to put some lanterns up in here because they look really cool. Just got to do the stairs, these walls, and I should be done. Come here. Oh crap. Oh, now. I need your ender pearl, mate. Excuse me. Yep, come here, mate. Come here. Yes! I got an ender pearl. Let's go. Put that in my chest. I already need a new pickaxe. Luckily I got a lot of iron. I'll make 2. Alright, with these final blocks I should be done. Alright, nice. It does look like something I built in 2012, but that's okay, that's okay. I'm just gonna place these chests in, and I gotta organize them all, which is gonna take forever. Although I don't have too much stuff, which is good. I also need more wood to make more chests, so I'll have to get that in a second. Alright, there we go. We're basically organised. I don't actually need any more chests than this now. For now, anyway. When I get more stuff, I'll probably get more chests. But that's going to do for now. I think now I'm going to go strip mine for a little bit. Just to get a couple diamonds. So I can get my ender portal. And just see what it's like in the end. Hopefully find a fortress. That would be good. But I don't know. Oh, this is so long. Still haven't found diamonds. How have I still not found diamonds? Go on, soon, hopefully.
2 hours later.
Oh, water. What's this? Oh my, what the hell? Any air bubbles? There's not, I'm not trying to die. Although I really do want to check this place. Can I make like a door to get water? I really want to explore this place so badly. I bet there's diamonds in it too. I'm gonna quickly have a look. Oh, wait. Oh! Finally! Wait, this is a cobblestone, okay. Oh, what the hell? Look how glitched out this is. What? Okay. Alright. Diamonds in here, please? Please, please, please. No diamonds there. I don't want to miss any diamonds. I know I'm going to miss so much. And I'm probably going to see it when I'm editing. Oh, this is so annoying. Alright, surely there's some diamonds down here. Oh, this is glitched. I've never seen something like that. Huh. Oh, I need a water bucket. Why do I always forget? No, there's a witch. I literally... If she hits me with a potion, I will literally die. Oh my god, what did I just say? What did I just say? I will literally die if she hits me with my potion and she hits me with a potion. I didn't even know she was there. I thought she was like in another cave next to me. Oh, well I'm okay. I didn't die at least. Got one thing wrong. Where is she? Yo, she's actually gonna kill me. Go away! Oh, got a hit on her. No, no. Get in there! Hey, bye! Oh crap, I'm gonna die. Wait, no, it's poison. It only puts you down to half heart, so I should be okay. Just eat a bit. Crap. Am I gonna be okay? Oh! Oh! Okay. Oh, alright. Okay, only puts me down to half heart. That's okay, that's okay. I just cannot fall in this lava now. I don't want it to glitch on the block. Alright, back to the hunt for diamonds. Oh, crap. I got him. I think I got him. And he's stuck, of course. Hello. And not, let's go. Another ender pearl. Oh, crap, these are the poison spiders. Oh, yep, they are. Please don't drop down on me, mate. Bro, at this point I'm convinced there's no diamonds in this seed. Honestly. Oh! Imagine that revealed diamonds. That would be so nice. I would actually love that creeper forever. Oh, I've been here, haven't I? Wait, have I? I think I might have been here. No way. Did I just see diamonds? Please tell me I fucking see diamonds. Let's go! I found diamonds. Oh, it's an 8th vein, I'm pretty sure. Let's go! Oh my god. I was honestly about to quit. I was literally 2 minutes away from quitting. Oh my god. Okay. Whew. Alright. I need to... Okay, I had a... Oh yeah, I'm using the fucking crafting table. I need to make one of these. I need... furnace. I'm gonna make myself a bucket. I'm gonna get all my obsidian now. So I can go back upstairs, well not upstairs, to my base. And then put my ender portal through. See where it takes me. Have I actually not got any iron this time? Oh my god, this whole time I haven't got a single piece of iron. Okay. Now I'm not going to be able to find iron. I gotta remember where this place is. 14. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was watching my phone and I almost just died in lava. Okay, I need to pay more attention because I do not want that to happen again. Oh my god. That was scary. I thought I was about to die. Alright, I'm at the surface. Finally. At the surface. What direction I need to go? Okay, I'm not too far away to be honest. Just, I might want to make a boat. And I can swim probably. Here, yeah, here it is calm. Alright. Okay, I also want to set up an enchantment room. I'm gonna quickly do that here. Yeah, that looks cool. Alright, boom. I'm gonna put bookshelves in here when I get them. I could always move this. I'm not sure of this location. But it looks cool for now. I need to do the honors of lighting the portal. Boom. Oh, fuck. Boom. There we go. This place is looking a lot better now. Finally got an enchantment room. Storage system that I still need to sort. But we're going to leave that for next episode. I've got my nether portal here. And most importantly, my diamonds. So, thank you guys for watching the video. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe for another episode.